XRP price prediction. The current price of XRP is 67 cents. XRP is predicted to reach $1.52 in 2025, which means tripling our investment. In just 1 year, experts predict that in just 5 more years, XRP will reach $3.80. In 2030 you will have multiplied your investment by 7.6 times. For example, if we invest $100 today, we will have $300 next year and $760 in 2030. But if we invest $1,000, we will have $3,000 in 2025, and in 2030 we will have $7,600. Amazing, isn't it? Imagine in 2030 what your return will be if some experts predict an average XRP price of $11. Your initial investment would multiply 22 times. That translates into a return of 2,200%. If you are wondering whether it is worth buying XRP, the answer is yes, but be aware that there is a moderate risk. Invest most of your cryptocurrency portfolio in BTC, 50%, 35% in a basket of large cap coins, and the rest in small projects with a long run. So, in this context, it is worth buying XRP. XRP is, like all other cryptocurrencies, a risky investment. However, it is more likely to go up than down because of its good use case, well-designed tokenomics, an active community and a strong team behind it. All these are prerequisites that augur well for the success of this cryptocurrency and the increase of its price over time. It will almost certainly not collapse or crash. People are often worried about the currency going to zero and seeing their total investment go down. That's a natural oscillation in any market. Prices go up and down all the time. If you believe in XRP and think it has a promising future, holding the coin and going hold is a good strategy. If you are waiting for it to do X2 or X3 or even more, it is a good strategy to sell a part of your XRP and keep holding the rest. Can XRP make you a millionaire? Yes, if you buy a large enough sum. Don't expect to invest $100 and become a millionaire with XRP. But price explosions of AX100 are common in cryptocurrencies, so a $10,000 investment in XRP could make you a millionaire. Does XRP have a future? It is a difficult task to assess. The Ripple company seems to have a good business model, selling XRP tokens to fund branding and partner acquisition, and its future seems to be very bright from this point of view. However, XRP tokens are much discussed in this whole story. What is the connection between XRP and Ripple? It's a multifaceted answer and depends largely on who you ask. Ripple works hard to distance itself from the XRP token, even though it is and has been its mother lode since its inception. XRP's use case is viable. However, it is easily replicable by other large institutions such as JP Morgan and Company. So there is a big threat in this regard. All this means that XRP has speculative value at the moment and will probably have speculative value in the future. The short-term future of XRP is a goldmine for speculators, but a dangerous game for long-term investors. Let's remember what XRP Ripple is. Ripple operates as a payment settlement system and currency exchange network, designed to streamline cross-border financial transactions for banks and financial institutions. The native cryptocurrency of this network is XRP, which is used for cost-effective, instant and reliable cross-border funds transfers. Its primary function is to serve as a bridging currency, providing financial institutions with a more cost-effective means of exchanging cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies. XRP's versatility allows it to function as a currency, security, commodity, lending tool or utility token. When contemplating XRP as an investment, it is crucial to recognize that no investment, especially in cryptocurrencies, comes with an absolute guarantee of safety or profitability. Factors to consider include the widespread adoption of XRP, which has yet to be established, as well as the ongoing testing of Ripple and its technology by interested financial institutions. It should be noted that the centralized nature of Ripple makes it more susceptible to censorship compared to other cryptocurrencies. In practical applications, banks use Ripple to settle cross-border payments and remittances, facilitating the exchange between fiat and digital currencies. Although any currency or asset can be used on the Ripple network without necessarily relying on XRP, XRP steps in to provide liquidity when needed, acting as a conduit between two currencies. Ripple's products use XRP to ensure rapid liquidity. In addition, XRapid, Another Ripple offering leverages XRP as a bridging asset for businesses and financial institutions looking to facilitate transfers between different fiat currencies. What factors can help predict Ripple's price? The cryptocurrency industry went through a regulatory upheaval in 2023, with the SEC and the Department of Justice legally pursuing the main suspects. The battle seems to have died down and signals the end of the cryptocurrency's first unrestricted years, as traditional financial institutions enter the market and call for clearer rules. By 2024, significant regulatory clarity is expected. Several factors drove this crypto rebound last year. Notably, Ripple Labs won a key legal victory against the SEC in June, leading to a brief price rally. Renewed institutional interest has also provided a boost, with large firms such as BlackRock pushing for Bitcoin ETF approvals by the end of 2023. Bitcoin ETF approvals were made in early January 2024, a positive for the market. Analysts had predicted that the SEC would rule on Bitcoin ETF applications between 5 to 10th of January 2024, potentially catalyzing industry growth. The approvals have been a significant step towards widespread acceptance and have generated optimism among investors and traders. Now, attention turns to the pre- and post-halving meetings, with BTC halving scheduled for April 2024, which is expected to further boost Bitcoin, Ethereum and the crypto market in general. Looking ahead, proposed changes in 2024 such as new accounting rules for crypto assets and less aggressive central bank policies could have a direct impact on the markets. Updated accounting rules could allow for more corporate reserves in Bitcoin. Meanwhile, the Treasury Department's upcoming cryptocurrency tax guidelines, applicable by 2025, could transform regulations around decentralized finance, NFTs and digital wallets. ETF approvals have proven complex but present future opportunities for investors if SEC concerns can be addressed. Despite regulatory challenges, the market remains resilient, with a total market capitalization of $1.65 trillion. Bitcoin has more than doubled by 2023, with the recent Wall Street earthquake and upcoming halving expected to further boost Bitcoin, Ethereum and the crypto market in general. Bitcoin has surged more than 150% since the start of the year. Ethereum has also surged following ETF approvals, as many now anticipate that ETH ETF approvals could be next. Most crypto investors, traders and influencers expect the real crypto bull run to finally begin in late 2024, bolstered by recent ETF approvals and Bitcoin's upcoming halving. Market price predictions. Here are 5 XRP price projections from experts for the period 2024 to 2030. According to Changelly's forecast, XRP is expected to trade within the range of $0.458 to $0.628 in July 2024, and between $2.03 and $2.91 in June 2026. The Economic Forecasting Agency suggests that XRP's price range will be between 25 cents and 32 cents by the end of 2024, and between 9 cents and 37 cents in October 2027, a very pessimistic scenario that also has to be considered. Prime Expert's prediction indicates that XRP's price range could be between 32 cents and $2.91 in 2024, and between $1.40 and $9.81 in 2030. Cryptonews anticipates that XRP could trade in the range of $2.38 to $2.69 in January 2025, and between $10.95 and $11.87 in November 2030. Inves offers a specific projection, suggesting that XRP is expected to be valued at $1.35 in 2024. These expert predictions offer a range of perspectives on the potential trajectory of XRP's value over the next few years. While there is notable variation in their projections, it is clear that the price of XRP is subject to a multitude of factors, including market dynamics, technological advances and regulatory developments. Investors should approach these forecasts with caution, recognizing the inherent uncertainty surrounding cryptocurrency markets. It is crucial to conduct thorough research and consider a variety of factors before making any investment decisions. Ultimately, the future of XRP remains an intriguing topic, and only time will reveal the true path the digital currency landscape will take. Important note: the prices mentioned in this video may differ at the time of playback and viewing, due to the continuous volatility and fluctuation of crypto market prices.